3, 2, 1.
Catalyst helps car wash operators of all sizes create the most impactful marketing campaigns. Craft ultra-targeted campaigns that reach your customers exactly where they are. Design branded and engaging messages that captivate and retain your audience. All driven by data, ensuring your marketing efforts are always on point. Leverage point-of-sale data from Patheon to deliver highly targeted, highly personalized messages based on car wash visits, purchase history, membership status, and more. Don't wait till a member goes to cancel their plan to launch your retention strategy. Machine learning models predict when a member is likely to churn, so you can proactively send them retention messages that highlight the value of their plan. Let's take your marketing to the next level. Catalyst. Ignite your data.